Landmark judgment by the Supreme Court and a major victory for democracy. The Supreme Court today ruled that citizens have the right to cast a negative vote, rejecting all candidates contesting polls from their constituency. A decision which would encourage people not satisfied with contestants to turn up for voting and cast their negative vote.
It's a huge victory for India because now the voter will be a pivot for bringing in change in the entire democratic process and will be able to cleanse the political parties with these tainted and candidates with criminal background. This is the victory. They have put actually, if you want to cast your vote, don't want to cast your vote on the same pedestal. Your secrecy will be maintained.
We have with us Senior Leader of the BJP and Deputy Leader of Opposition Rajya Sabha, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. A landmark judgment has come from the Supreme Court saying that now none of the above option will be in the EVM machines. You think a concrete step towards right to reject? A lot of people have been talking about it.
Well, we'll have to examine the whole judgment. It's fine print. Surely the party will take a call after going to the judgment. But I would think that the Election Commission needs to engage with all the political parties as to what is required to be done. We all are fully supportive of openness and transparency in the electoral process. But we need also to understand that there must be some element of stability in the democratic process, so that those who get elected by the people in a free franchise also are able to command the authority of governance. So these are the imperatives. And I think once we are able to go to the judgment completely, the Election Commission must take the initiative to have a structured dialogue with all the political parties.
Voter has one more option, and the option is to express his opinion very freely.
I don't see any point in making this sort of a thing, but anyway, I mean, if the Apex Court in its wisdom decides that this should be done, so let it be.
Political parties continue to remain ambivalent on the entire issue. But let's listen to the Aam Aadmi, people like you and me, citizens of the country, who are welcoming the Apex Court ruling.
It's a landmark judgment by the top court in a pre-election year. Supreme Court giving the citizens of India the right to reject all candidates in elections, sending a clear signal to political parties. And voters across the country welcoming the Supreme Court's move.
I think it is a very, very welcome move. It gives an opportunity for the candidate as well as the political party, a balanced view from the point of view of the voter, the Indian voter. In that way, I say it's a very good move on the part of the Supreme Court.
जैसे कि हमारा सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है, ये तो जनता को अपनी व्यक्ति, अपने विचार और अपना सब अधिकार ढंग से यूज करने का, स्वतंत्रता यूज करने बहुत अच्छा है. स्वतंत्रता मिलेगी इससे उनको वोट करने में.
Voters calling it a much needed recourse that will help them elect their representatives.
नैतिकता भी एक चीज होती है. नैतिकता के आधार पर आप देख सकते हैं कि वो जो कैंडिडेट आता है वो आपके बीच में सही आता है और आप उसको भलीभांति जानते हैं कि ये कैंडिडेट मेरा सही है या गलत है. ये एकदम सही है.
I am in agreement with the Supreme Court because as a citizen of India, I have the right to pick the right candidate, and if political party's agenda doesn't match with my opinion, then I guess that option would be in favor of me.
For the first time, voters across India will get the chance to choose the none of the above option, and voters can put pressure on political parties to field competent and clean candidates. But will this move be our democracy's game changer? Bureau Report, Times Now.